Hello, this is me, Flash8, and today we will learn how to search for a file whose allocation you don't know. So, to do that in Linux terminal, you have many ways to do that. Let's try grep. First we type ls and pipe grep, and if we don't know what the correct sensitivity for the name of file we search for, we type dash I, and between double quotation we type the name of the file, Jessica. So here we got our file, and if we want to know the file extension in the system, there are two ways. To do this, the first is a command locate. So let's try it, locate, and between double quotation, let's say the directory we are search in is desktop. So that's it. And here we got all the extensions in desktop. And the other way is the command find, which is we do that by find slash dash name between double quotation the name of the file, and here we got what we need, and here we got the extension. So now we want to learn the difference between two of the most important Linux commands, cat and nano. The difference between them is the ability to edit and write inside the file. When we use cat, let's say with Jessica, we can only see what the inside the file, while we use nano Jessica, we can modify the file through the terminal. And here we are finished. I hope you like the course. Make sure like the video, subscribe to the channel, and go to next video of the series.